Hi students, the next topic is particle nature of light, Einstein explanation. Particle nature of light in Einstein's explanation. Actually, you know, according to Max Planck proposed quantum concept in 1900, but remodified in 1905. Einstein extended this Planck quantum concept. He explained the photoelectric effect. According to Einstein concept, the energy in light is not spread out over wavefront. That means it is concentrated in small pocket or energy quanta. That is, light is stream of quanta. Light is stream of quanta. See, according to Einstein, the energy in light is not spread out over wavefront, but it is concentrated in small packet like quanta or energy quanta. In peculiar point, light is stream of quanta. That is, any light source coming from light like a stream of quanta, that is, see, the light is coming like that. It's a stream of quanta. This is a stream of quanta. Light is like a stream of quanta. See, this is a nothing but particle. So light is an particle. Photon is nothing but light in a particle nature. So energy of each quanta is E is equal to h nu. That is, one single particle, the energy is equal to h nu. Even each quanta of light having linear momentum, the symbol is P. So P is equal to the momentum formula, that is h into nu by c. We will discuss about the next class how came this formula. So see, this is like a particle. This particle is nothing but photon is light in particle nature. See, it is a correct point. Photon is nothing but light in particle nature. Particle nature la photons எப்படி சொல்லுவானா like a light னு சொல்லுவோம். So generally photon is nothing but light in particle nature. Then I will send the next video. So what are the characteristics of photon?